Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to insert 4 into 4 matrix in MS Word. So to insert this matrix, go in Insert tab, click on this and then go in this object drop down. And you will see this dialog box, select Microsoft Equation 3.0 and click on OK. You will see this dialog box, equation, select bracket from this button. After selecting brackets, go here in matrix templates. Click on this and select the last in the bottom. And here you can see the option. Here you can enter as many columns as you like to add, as I am going to add 4 columns, and here you can add rows. I am going to add 4 rows. So this is how you can create 4 into 4 matrix. If you want to increase more columns or rows, you can increase it, create 6 by 6, or you can create 7 by 7, whatever you want. So I am selecting here 4 into 4. Then click on OK, and here you can see the matrix is created. Enter values in it. After completing value, click on this side and you can see 4 by 4 matrix is added. So this is how to insert 4 by 4 matrix in MS Word. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.